Hi everyone, Kasey Thompson here. An interesting question I was asked is how to communicate with angels during meditation. That's a really good question. Luckily, I have a ton of information on that because I do it daily. Angels are high vibration divine messengers. They are always around us. They're always there to offer guidance, comfort, and support. But our human minds are always running at full speed, which makes it almost impossible to hear them. Meditation is the key. It helps to quiet the mind and raise your vibration, creating a clear channel for two-way communication. So, to make this happen, first, find a quiet, peaceful place where you won't be disturbed. Your phone's not going to ring, anything like that. Before you begin, clearly state that your intention is to connect with your guardian angels. Be specific about what kind of guidance you're asking for. Then, take a few minutes to mentally and physically cleanse your energy through deep breathing. Take 4 or 5 deep breaths. Remember, angels exist at a higher frequency. So, to better connect, you need to raise your activities, or you need to do activities that raise your frequency throughout the day to get ready for meditation, like gratitude, acts of kindness, listening to uplifting music, spending time in nature, those type of things. Now, as you meditate, focus on your breath, allowing your body and your mind to relax. Visualize roots that are extending from your body into the earth, grounding you, and a column of light connecting through your head to God above. Once you feel centered, invite your angels to join you. Say something like, I'm opening and I'm open to receive your guidance and wisdom. Always maintain a feeling of unconditional love and openness in your heart. One key thing is release any expectations about how the communication will go, because angels communicate in various ways. For me, my angels always communicate to me telepathically. So basically what I'm doing is I hear a voice in my head that's not mine. That's how I always know it's my angels. If you have a specific question, clearly formulate it in your mind, because they read your mind. You don't have to say your words out loud. Be open to receiving the answer in any form it comes. This is the most crucial part. After you've invited your angels to answer your questions, simply take the time to listen. Don't try to force anything, but take time to listen and stay in that peace. When you do this, you might start feeling a feeling of warmth, or a gentle tingling, or a sense of peace, or love, or comfort, or reassurance. I personally always see colors. I see symbols, orbs, light flashes in my mind's eye, so I know my angels are there. You, on the other hand, might experience sudden thought, maybe an intuitive aha moment, or a strong feeling about what to do or what a message means. This is called claircognizance. Often, the first thought or image or feeling that comes to you is from your angels. Remember, don't second guess it or try to overanalyze it. I used to do that for years, and my angels would always get mad at me and say, Kasey, you're overthinking, just relax, and we'll get you the answers that you need. Remember, after meditation, what I do is I immediately write down everything I learned because I forget quickly. This helps you to solidify the message and can often reveal deeper meanings as you review it later. Remember, angelic communication isn't limited to formal meditation. Angels can send signs throughout your day and communicate with you throughout the day. I see my angels nonstop. Another thing is I recognize my angels by smell, and over time you will too. So you'll know their voice, you'll know their smell. Always express gratitude to your angels for their presence and guidance, both during and after your meditation. Like any spiritual practice, the key is consistency. The more you meditate and open yourself to angelic communication, over time, the clearer and more frequent the messages will become. It's just like a baby learning to speak. At first, it's difficult, but then it becomes just like normal communication. Please like, share, and subscribe. God bless. Love you all.